Most people struggle to read long notes and still remember nothing. In the next few seconds, I will show you how to turn any written notes into a clear audio lesson, so your notes can actually teach you. If you watch to the end, you will understand what clearly sets this tool I am about to show you apart from the ones you have been seeing. I am Pat. Please click or tap on the like button to show that you genuinely like this content. Let's get started. Turning onto my computer, the very first thing I will have to do is to open Chrome. From Chrome, I will type NoteGPT.io. Do not worry, I am going to put the link in the description box below. From this place, you will see here, you are all in one AI learning assistant. So whatever you want to learn, NoteGPT will help you to do that. You can see that this is designed for students, educators, professionals, researchers, creators. You understand? And here are other people, real stories from real students, their testimonials. Okay, so now how do you generate this thing that you want to generate, which is audio podcast or audio lesson? First of all, you'll be asked to sign in or log in, as the case may be. You will have to log in using your email or Gmail. Okay, for me, I am going to use my Gmail, so I'll click here. Once you sign in, you will have yourself inside the NoteGPT work interface. From here, you will see a whole lot of things you can do. You see AI YouTube, AI transcriber, AI summarizer, AI voices, AI images, AI writer, AI chat, and more tools. If you click here, you see more tools from Nano Banana, AI presentation, AI PDF translator, and a whole lot of things. Even quiz generator, you can use this to generate quiz. But we do not want to do all of these things at once. So our interest is to do AI voices. So I will have to click here. Once I click here, it will now ask me what type of AI voice do I want. Do I want text to speech, AI podcast generator, AI voice cloning, AI voice designer? This is another one. Then we also have PDF to audio. So I think what we are going to do first is PDF to audio. Okay, so I will have to click here now, and then it will now bring us here where we'll have to upload our PDF. I can just drop it from here. This is a PDF on e-learning, online learning. Okay, now we'll wait for it to upload. Once the uploading process is complete, the first thing you are going to do is to decide if you want to use normal English or American English. Then you can as well choose whether it is going to be female or young adult voice. Okay, after these basic setups, you will then click on generate speech button. So let me do that. The audio voice is now being generated. 99%.
Article online learning. A panacea in the time of COVID-19 crisis. Shivangi Dhawan 1. 2 abstract educational institutions. Schools, colleges, and universities.
How cool is that? I hope you can hear that very clear. Okay, this is what NoteGPT can do when you supply your PDF document. It will turn it completely to an audio lesson that you can listen while cooking or while commuting to work. And instead of using the whole PDF, like you don't want to submit your entire PDF, you just want to convert some text or paragraph to speech, all you need to do is to click here. So if I click here now, it will open this place for me with a text box where I will have to paste some text. You can see I now have a text here. So now let me change it to English. From there, you will see different voices. So you can use man with deep voice, or if you don't like that, you can switch back and you will see different other voices. Okay, We have free voices here. We also have high quality voices, which I am turned on to. Okay, so but let me switch to free voice. Okay, now from this free voice, you have different voices here that you can use. You can play here to try it out before you now click on the use.
Welcome to NoteGPT. Explore a realistic natural AI voice.
If you don't like that one, you choose another one.
Welcome to NoteGPT. Explore our realistic natural AI voices.
Assuming this is the one I want, I will click on this use button. Then I will now have to click on generate speech.
All students of English, be they native speakers or those who are studying English as a second language, will.
How cool is that? Let me know in the comment section what you think about this tool, or if you have any other tool that does it better than NoteGPT. Again, you can as well go and do AI podcast generator, like you want more than one person to talk. You understand? You can as well do AI voice cloning, where you now submit your voice and have this AI to mimic it, so that when you post out content using text to speech, it will be as if you are the one speaking. Please go ahead and try other tools that we have under these AI voices. I hope that video was helpful. Let me know in the comment section what you think about learning with audio. Please remember to subscribe, share this video with others. I made a video on how to generate audio podcasts with Notebook LM. The video is popping up now. You can still find the link in the description box below. Until next time, keep learning.